What's up, guys? Today I got a Nike outlet find here for you. Sadly, I'm not going to be able to throw these on because they're not my size. This is a pair of Nike Women's Vapormax. Vapormax sneakers are super fly, super hyped right now. They were way more hyped earlier on when they came out, but now I still think there's a reasonable amount of hype on these bad boys. There's a lot of crazy colorways coming out, and you're starting to be able to pick these up at the Nike outlet. Here we have a gorgeous woman's sized Nike Air Flyknit Vapormax, straight up from the outlet mall. Now let's get this thing right into focus here. It's pretty fly. The colors are pretty sick, and all in all, I can't hate on the sneaker because it's gorgeous. I kind of wish this was easy to get and accessible to get in men's sizes, but it's pretty hard. I understand not all shoes are available for men and not all shoes are available for women, but it's kind of crappy. What I do love about these Vapormax sneakers is that you can pick them up at the outlet mall these days. They're super light. This is just nothing in my hand. And these are kind of cool. You know? I wonder what happens if you stab one of these. So, let me just grab the other pair of sneakers right here. Show you both. I can just hold both without any difficulty at all. If you're looking for a light sneaker, it's probably a solid sneaker. I have worn them before, so I do know they're pretty solid. Although you might not like them right away when you pick them up and you try them on. I think a lot of people will end up falling in love with these after a few wears. I mean, the Air Max 2016 and 2017 and those sneakers with the full air unit, that's also something very special. But these are a completely different animal. They're super light and they're pretty awesome. So if you're looking for a light, super fly sneaker and you don't want to go with an Ultra Boost for whatever reason, maybe you're not a fan, I would suggest a pair of these Vapormax sneakers. And don't be afraid of picking them up at the outlet mall, because you'll probably save some money. Or go ahead and pick them up for full retail online. Sometimes you just gotta have them. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me just grab my thumbnail. Goodbye.